Today is the first day of the month of Elul. It is a beautiful day and it just started pouring rain. Let's listen to the shofar and read Psalm 27 together. The king is in the field. Psalm 27. The Lord is my light and my salvation. Whom shall I fear? The Lord is the strength of my life. Of whom shall I be afraid? When the wicked came against me to eat up my flesh, my enemies and foes, they stumble and fell. Though an army may encamp against me, my heart shall not fear. Though war may raise against me, in this I will be confident. One thing I have desired of the Lord, that I will seek, that I might dwell in the house of Yahweh all the days of my life, to behold the beauty of Yahweh, and to inquire in his temple. For in the time of trouble he shall hide me in his pavilion. In the secret place of his tabernacle he shall hide me. He shall set me high upon a rock. And now my head shall be lifted up above mine enemies all around me. Therefore I will offer sacrifices of joy in his tabernacle. I will sing, yes, I will sing praises to Yahweh. Hear, O Lord, when I cry with my voice. Have mercy also upon me and answer me. When you said, seek my face, my heart said to you, your face, Lord, I will seek. Do not hide your face from me. Do not turn your servant away in anger. You have been my help. Do not leave me nor forsake me, O Yah of my salvation. When my father and my mother forsake me, then the Lord will take care of me. Teach me your way, O Yah, and lead me in a smooth path because of my enemies. Do not deliver me to the will of my adversaries. For false witnesses have risen against me, and such as breathe out violence. I would have lost heart unless I had believed that I will see the goodness of Yahweh in the land of the living. Wait in the Lord, be of good courage, and he shall strengthen your heart. Wait, I say, on the Lord. And on this day,